Pado Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe o. Wakpo Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe o. Oyo. Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe. OGHENEKEVWE Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe o. Akpo. Yolumemo. Omi ko borelie o. Oyo. Wololwesi o. Welwesi waya o. Oyo Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe o. OGHENEKEVWE. Yota. Ie. Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe. Yana ino Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe o. Ekwo ino masa. Yota. Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe o. Riabo Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe o. Akpo. Yolumemo. Omi ko borelie o. Oyo. Wololumemo. Omi ko borelie o. Oyo Adewerokene-Owlumemo. Akpokegbe o. OGHENEKEVWE. Otioyo dia Urobo Delta Nigeria Akpososo Legbali. This is OGHENEKEVWE Diamond Entertainment. Omuyoyo Mugwejire based in Satan. I want to appreciate our founding fathers. Ese awale edianiki tuno robowiyo. Eliare amlenike ayajo okawari. Our culture cannot be left out. Our culture will not die away. I stand to preserve my culture. This is my calling. This is what I will live for. This is what I will die for. I want to appreciate late chief Omokomoko Osokpa Ayogbudi Osekewo Prof. Mame Gwogwori wo believe. Nijiyo Sawari le double chief Okpa Aribo Yiminio Osawa na jikbo bere livile Osekewe daddy. Late Ewe Anuje Osekewo daddy. Isawa na bibo mikisi salile. Ejakbo mishurewo ibujele uraye. Professor Johnson. Doctor Johnson ositejo ure aja. Amwewawe. Ufi omoka. Osekewo daddy. Oyo wikewo lulu na woyajo kabana. Ala megbe kiligo. We are ready to promote our culture. I want to appreciate my father. Oseme okeli ugwe. Oyo nevine okweri ne yuma. Professor Jacob Adi Ubiri. Ogwa. Osekewo daddy, you too much. Thanks for your impact. I appreciate you, Wekobilo. You want to use Savali Bubu Sasa Kilo Uvelo Muye Aishiri. I want to appreciate expensive Dr. Supriloki Okwe. Osekewo daddy. Kadia wo aiji. Osekewe. Mijiyelo seme vijire. Austin Akpolo Howala Awe na Lolo. The Wagwaline is a music legend in Satan here. Osekewo daddy. I want to appreciate Comrade Abraham Ifejene. Omuye jire, omuye mosoga. Osekewe. Anukwo sawa koini. Wai bunero bejobi mi dedo wa mi yelo wa kobilo. Tayo mete yawi yobalo. Me wono to tavu. Waliene onwia uneswo, onwia lo bune okoko onwia pastor. Obune urobo. Ye obune oyibo kobune. There are so many things. Mubwebwe lo dianike idu ayubuko. Mubwebwe lo dianike anwavle iholie. Before I will continue with this speech, I want everybody to know that I know how I serve different people for 16 years. I served different people for 16 years. This vision, it has been a long time. So there are so many things. Ojanike e bother me. Sometimes I complain. I want that complain, I not complain the Gano. I want that complain, I not complain the Gano. Je what that complain me you because what they for? I carry your baby okay well. Kide me gonna to talk na. Evuro bona ikwo gbebu ilo igwo no adi obu ne de lucho. Ari owo yolo no bona ni chona yulwe. Yele adelo bune no de welo luchovu. Ka wali lucho na. Ka wo peti lo ni chono bune na va jifoli. O jabo mi wota na ne bune le mu gbebu ebune fesi. Le mu gbebu most especially urobos. Ebu na wale imluri pe kakaka. Ebu na wale ili oja. So many musicians, so many talented person. Ali oja prokutu. Amlo kwa chayuko. Kidena meti chonana. There are so many things going on. There are so many things that are in my victory. I'm not happy. I know how to use brass drum. I know how to use the turkey drum. There are so many instruments. Even this wireless small microphone for Android phone. Me so be only freestyle. Me only video recording in make all clear. Me be stress you magano. Evavu na iribi. Ebu no robo. Ikwo robo. Webu. 98% of robo people, they don't support their musician. It's very bad. It's very bad. There are many people, they are